Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're here to see how to learn to replace your battery on the Honda key fob. Okay, it's super easy. It doesn't even take too long. You don't need any tools, and this is how you do it. There's a slider right there, so you slide, pull out the key, and then you're gonna push this key in between that gap right there, and then twist it. So you push and twist. Simple as that. And that's how it looks like. And this is the battery. You're going to take it out, so it comes off pretty easy. And then the battery you need is CR2032, which are these right here. And then this slides back in right there, so you snap it in there, and that's good. And then you just put this back together, just line them up. And that's it. You have a new battery in there, and it should work fine. Put your key back in. So if you have a Honda Civic, CR-V, Accords, Pilot, Odyssey, Passport, whatever Honda it is, and it has a key fob like this is how you change it. Well, hope this video helped, guys. Please don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys with those videos. Thank you for supporting. Have a great day.